Afsisterwig and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title of this video gonna be a hairstyle video about a wig. And you already know I got the bows because you know I got yellow on today because if when life gives you lemons, make lemonade, period. And I went and picked up some Eco Styler gel. This is my first time using Eco Styler gel. I never use Eco Styler gel. I remember y'all was telling me do 100 layers of Eco Styler gel. I don't have that much time on my hands, but I did see a comment and y'all was like, do the different color foods. Somebody said do blue. I'm gonna do the red foods, like eating only red foods for 24 hours. I'm gonna do that video, so stay tuned. So when it come out, y'all will be notified. Y'all won't be looking crazy. So yeah, and also y'all keep asking me about the prank calling girls to my store. Man, I'm not doing that video anymore because I started off. I tried that video like last week or something. Nobody was answering their phone, so I was like, okay, I'm just not gonna do this video. I don't have time for this. I have other stuff to do. Gotta get that bread. I gotta do something else. So that's when I just didn't fit. I was supposed to post that video last Sunday, but nobody was responding. So I was like, I'm not gonna do that video. It's not meant for me to do that video. So I am gonna be doing the other challenges though, like the eating different foods and stuff. That might go up Saturday because Friday is natural hair. You know, I do a natural hair video, and today is Thursday, so tomorrow's natural hair, and then Saturday I'll do the foods. So I might have to film it the day before so I could post it that day. So yeah, because it's whole 24 hours. But yes, you guys, so enough of me rambling. This hair is from Afsister Wigs. They reached out to me and I was like, what? Because I've been seeing them on YouTube. Like before I even came a YouTuber, I seen them on YouTube all the time. People was running. I was like, they got some good hair. To be honest, the hair, I like the hair. It's just like any other normal wig though. I was thinking they had like the bomb stuff, like the bomb.com. Their hair is bomb though, but like, you know, being I don't know how to explain. I done seen so many different type of hairs, wigs, textures, you know, good quality, bad quality, all that stuff. I've seen so much. And like me looking on YouTube, I was like, oh, that hair fine. Sister A wig, sister fine. But their hair is fine. They got okay, hold on, y'all. It comes with the a cap that look like this. I don't feel like opening that box. It comes with a cap that look like this in this color in the box. But y'all also this I'm gonna tell you about the lace. I didn't bleach my knots. I just put my concealer on it, y'all, and it's my color. It says, hold on, it has a note that it came with. Let me read it for you guys. It says Invisible Knot Wig. This wig is invisible knots. Gives the wig wear a knot-free illusion. Each knot is hand-tied. It makes it undetectable for a scalp. Okay, scalp-like appearance. And to be honest, it actually, oh God, it actually does. It actually does. So y'all, but y'all looking at my wig, you're probably like, Eva, what the hell did you do to your wig? I'm gonna move in some. It actually does give the scalp illusion. I didn't even put no freaking, I didn't bleach my knots. I didn't do none of that. All I did, you guys, was took my beauty blender in that dark ass color that's not my shade, and I had used it. So what I'm finna do is go ahead and get into this hairstyle. So as y'all can see, I'm gonna move my camera up so I can see the top of my head. I want to make some edges in this wig because I feel like with this hairstyle I'm finna do, you need edges, babe. You can't just be out here with no edges, you know. But I feel like I don't know how much to take out for edges because, you know, all that good stuff. But I was like, I might as well show y'all, I guess, me making the edges on camera because I didn't do anything else on the camera. I didn't apply my wig on camera because I was like, that's not what this video is about. This video is about this hairstyle I'm gonna do. So I was like, okay, tell her. I said, okay. I actually like this wig, no cap. So what I'm gonna do is go in and start cutting these, even though they're really not even that long. I don't care. I'm finna go ahead and start cutting this stuff so I can shape it. Oh God, this is different too. I'm not used to this type of stuff. So what I'm finna do is try to do my edges, y'all, because we all know Eva cannot do wig edges. When it comes to these wig edges, Eva do not do them at all. Like it's just too much. So what I'm finna do is spray this up here. Oh my goodness, I'm about to take this shirt in. I just did my eyebrows and I did not know this was gonna happen. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm trying to get me wet over here. Okay, you guys, so what I decided to do was be smart, like I said, and tie it down while I brush it. Like, this thing is super tight and my edges are laid, so that is perfect. So my edges getting the whole full effect while I brush my wig, because I gotta brush this. Okay, I have to brush this, y'all. I can't have this looking retarded because I need it to be looking sleek. This is so cute and easy. Like, especially, you can do this with your real hair. You can do this with your wig, y'all. I just wanted to film a video so y'all can, like, you know, get the hints of the hairstyles. Because I know y'all like to see hairstyles. But I know, look at this. It looks so realistic, y'all. But I know y'all want to see real hair, like hairstyles you can do on your real hair. Y'all don't want to just see wigs all the time. So I try to switch it up because I get tired of doing wigs all the time, even though I get these sponsorships. But it's life, you know? It's life. So what I'm going to do is take a hair tie and tie this thing down. Get it sleek and tight. This is cute. I feel like this is beach vibes. What I tell y'all, every hairstyle gives me beach vibes. So I'm just tying this really tight. Because you don't want your stuff to be, you know, not tight or whatever. I'm trying to see, should I do it in a bun? To be honest, I really can't style it how I want to until I see what's going on. But I'm putting another hair tie on it because y'all already know how I am. I like my stuff sleek. I need my stuff to be tight. So I'm putting another hair tie on this. Afsisterwig, y'all really coming through. It's gonna be my everyday wig. They be like, that's her real hair. I'm gonna be like, yes it is. Yes it is. Y'all don't worry about all this over here. Don't worry about that. Okay, so I'm finna untangle this now because I already did my edges and all that good stuff. Okay, I'm gonna take it off slowly. Wave check. Ooh! Edges check. Oh, I forgot some pieces. Man, look what I did. Edges look good, though. Can't even cap on them. Okay, so now what I'm doing is, you know, fixing it, critiquing it, you know, because you can't be a baddie walking around with your weave not laid. Or Kurt. I should use the Got To Be glue, but to be honest, Eco Solid ain't that bad. You know what I'm saying? It ain't bad at all. So, you know what we gotta do. Spice this look up, sis. Yeah, that's cute. There we go. It just looks like a star. Okay, you guys. What I'm gonna do is critique it a little bit more, but this time I'm going in with Got To Be glue, and of course I'm not done. Even though it's cute like this, I mean, if you want to walk out the house looking like a lion, you can. But you know, not evil. So what I'm gonna do is flip my camera up a little bit more. And I'm finna go on my Got To Be glue, and I'm finna lay this stuff down so I know it ain't going nowhere. And my lace front, cause my lace front tried to lift up. And it didn't try, it did lift up. Cause Got To Be glue is not good. I'm not even gonna cap. I use Got To Be glue all the time because I take my wigs off, put my wig, take a wig off, put a new wig on, take a wig off, put a new wig on. It's just, you know. But overall, if you want your wig to stay down, Got To Be glue is not good for that. See, it's coming up right now. Y'all see that? But it's straight. It's straight, but I just need this to like lay down. Some glue I would prefer y'all to use is that Ghost Bond stuff. I heard that's good. I haven't used it for myself, but I'm finna get some of this waterproof glue. I heard that glue is waterproof too, but I know that this glue right here it's expensive. It's like $26, but it comes with the stuff to you know, it comes with the stuff you use to remove the glue too, y'all, because y'all do realize we are putting these lace fronts on our edges, and some people edges are not strong. We got them weak edges, so when we putting all that glue on them, sometimes we take our wig off and some stuff be missing. But I'm just trying to critique this and get this thing to lay down. So if I'm finna oh my goodness, I'm gonna come back when I get it right. I'm sorry, y'all. Okay, y'all, I got my edges looking good. Y'all, I love this wig. I look crazy right now, though. But that's because I'm finna get cute and get right. I have my water bottle. And guess what, y'all? It's not empty today. So, I'm finna just spray my hair a little bit. You know, because I don't want it to be, like, I don't want my wig looking dry. I'm sorry. The dry look is cute. But I don't want that. So, I'm finna just be going through and spraying my hair. Getting it wet looking. You know, all that cute stuff. Oh my god. Afsister wigs, we can work again. We can work again. Because a lot of companies that work with me before, they text me. They be like, we want to work with you again. I know y'all do. I know y'all do. I want to work with y'all too. We can work together. Because y'all wig is bomb. And this is like, I'm just stuck on how the lace look. And okay, this one is coming up right here, but it's okay. It's okay. It's not the wig. I promise y'all it's not this wig. It's this stupid glue I'm using. But you know, you can only, you know, it's okay. And this is kind of different for me because I normally don't wear hairstyles like this, but this is cute. Okay. Okay, well, you guys, this is the nice little curl pattern that it has too. I just go with my wide tooth comb so I can distribute the water out because this piece is a little long. I'm gonna have to cut this. So y'all, this wig is definitely a beginner's wig. You can just take it out the box. Do your little pop your concealer thing to your lace front. Wear that wig, girl, and you done. Okay. So y'all, I'm just crazy about my edges. I just have to have my edges right. So you guys, this is the final look. I like it. I need to spray some water on my ends. They look a little dry. And this hair is bomb because I ain't even put nothing in there. I just put water. Where my shirt at? Because, honey, it just rained on me, boo. But anyways, you guys, I like this hairstyle. But anyways, you guys, like I keep saying, anyways, you guys, if you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed this look, give this video a big thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you follow me on my social medias. I will put them on the screen somewhere. And also, make sure you go down below and shop with Afsister wigs because, y'all, it don't get no better than this. What I'm telling you. And this, I can finally lay my wig right. I'm trying to see, do I want a bun? Ooh, the bun is way cuter. We're going to do a bun, y'all. I'm sorry. See, I told y'all, I'm just be changing stuff in the last minute. But I like the bun. Hold on, y'all. What's going on? Okay, you guys. I like the bun. So, yes, I will be, I don't know if I like the bun, but I think the bun's, hey, anyway, you can wear this wig anytime, any way you want to. The bun, not the bun. But anyways, you guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.